Hello friends. Today, we are going to talk about Realme 6i. Two phones have already released in the Realme 6 series. One is Realme 6 and the other is Realme 6 Pro. Now, Realme 6i is going to be released. It is expected to be the cheapest phone with 90Hz refresh rate. Realme is really impressing us. Realme 6 will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G90T processor. We have already seen how this processor can perform in Redmi Note 8 Pro and Realme 6. It is a gaming processor. It's really fast. But Redmi Note 8 Pro had a mild heating while gaming. Realme 6 didn't have any heating issue. I hope that Realme 6i will also provide nice performance without any heating issues. I personally like Realme than Redmi. I'm not saying Redmi is bad. Realme 6i is expected to have a price around 15,000 rupees. It will have a punch hole display and a side mounted fingerprint sensor. It will have UFS 2.1 storage. I don't know which storage and RAM variants will be available. Realme 6 is expected to be coming with a 48 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels plus 2 megapixels quad rear camera setup. And it is expected to have a 16 megapixels front camera. It will have Realme UI based on Android 10. I really liked Realme UI. The Realme C3 which I bought was not smooth to use at first. But after updating to the Realme UI, it was so smooth. Realme 6i will have a 4300 mAh battery with 30 watt fast charging. It will be released in India on the 24th of July 2020. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.